Hello and welcome. We're from AskA Solution, and today we're going to talk about something really critical, a challenge that can, make or break a huge project right here in the KSA industrial sector. We're talking about fabrication. Get it right, and voila, your project is solid. But if you get it wrong, well, that's when the big problems start. We're here to show you how we at AskA Solution make sure it's done right every single time.
Okay, so here's what we're going to cover. First, we'll get into what we call the fabrication dilemma. I think a lot of you will know exactly what we mean. Then, we'll break down the true cost of errors, and it's often way more than you think. After that, we'll talk about our promise, the AskA Solution promise, which is all built on precision. And finally, we'll show you exactly how you can start your next big project with us, with total confidence. Taib, let's begin.
Here in the kingdom, everything in the industrial sector is massive. The projects, the vision, the investments, they're just huge. And for the managers and engineers on the ground, that means the pressure is, well, it's immense. You've got deadlines that can't move, budgets that are incredibly tight, and the expectation for excellence is absolute. There is just zero room for mistakes. So this really is the big question, isn't it? With everything you're juggling, supply chains, manpower, logistics, what's that one variable that can quietly put the entire project at risk? We really believe it's your choice of fabrication partner. It's the literal foundation of everything. And if that foundation is weak, the whole structure, the whole project is in danger. And we've all seen this happen. Maybe you've even lived it. Projects getting delayed by weeks, sometimes months. Budgets just evaporating because of rework and fixing mistakes. You see workmanship and you just know. You know it's going to cause problems later on. And the most serious thing, safety standards getting compromised. Look, it's a frustrating reality for so many, and here at AskA Solution, we get it. We really do.
Yanni, for us, this isn't just theory from a textbook. We've been doing this for over 30 years. We've been on the sites, we've seen these challenges up close, and we've been the ones solving the problems. Our entire approach is built on this experience, this deep, practical understanding of what can go wrong, and, more importantly, how to guarantee it goes right from day one.
Okay, let's talk about the true cost now. Because it's not just about a few bad welds or a piece of steel that doesn't fit. When fabrication goes wrong, it sets off a domino effect, one that can ripple through your entire operation and end up costing you so much more than money.
Take a look at this number, 25%. That's the average budget overrun we see when a project has serious fabrication issues. Just think about that. On a 10 million real project, that's 2.5 million reals just gone, wasted, all on fixing mistakes that should never have happened.
And then, there's the cost of your time. 45. That's how many days you could potentially lose because of rework and delays from bad fabrication. A month and a half. In today's market, 45 days is an eternity. It can mean missing your go-live dates and losing your edge completely.
But this is the most critical number of all. 1. It only takes just one, major safety incident from faulty fabrication to shut down operations. And then the cost isn't just about money anymore. It's about your people's safety, it's about your company's reputation. Yanni, it's about everything.
And we know what this means for you, the person in charge. The stress, the late-night phone calls, that constant worry in the back of your mind. It's exhausting. We are here to say, khalas, enough of that. There's a much, much better way.
And that better way is our promise at AskA Solution. It's a promise that is built on one simple idea: absolute precision. We've designed our entire fabrication service not just to build things, but to build your peace of mind. So how do we deliver on that promise? It all comes down to our process. It's transparent, it's thorough, it's meticulous. We always start with a deep consultation to really understand your project. Then, our certified teams get to work with advanced tech for the fabrication and welding. After that, every single piece goes through finishing and a super strict inspection. And finally, we manage the complete assembly and delivery to your site. It's a full end-to-end service. We handle it all.
Let's break down what our features actually mean for you. So, we use advanced robotic welding. What's the benefit? For you, it means precision that is just unparalleled. It means guaranteed safety and durability. We have ISO-certified processes. For you, that's peace of mind. Simple as that. You know every part meets the highest international standards. And we offer end-to-end project management. Yanni, what that means is you get one partner, one point of contact who is accountable for everything. We take care of it so you can focus on the big picture. All right, let's look a little closer at the core services that make all this happen. And they're all specifically tailored for the tough demands of industrial projects right here in the Kingdom.
Everything, and I mean everything, starts here with proper design and engineering. We use advanced software to model the entire project, making sure that from the very beginning, the structural framework is going to be reliable, safe, and 100% compliant. We build it perfectly on the computer before we even think about cutting steel.
And then our welders. These guys are true craftsmen, all certified in MIG, TIG, and ARC. They bring that perfect design to life. Their attention to detail is just meticulous. Every single connection, every single joint, it's perfect. This is what guarantees total structural integrity. It's the difference between a structure that just stands up and one that will stand for decades.
Tayyip, if our listeners only remember one thing from this whole explainer, what should it be? It should be this. We provide peace of mind. It's that simple. When you partner with AskA Solution, you are choosing reliability. You are choosing a partner who will handle every single little detail, from the first drawing to the final installation, so you have one less major thing to worry about. And with over 300 successful projects behind us, this isn't just something we say. It's something we have proven time and time again. That is the AskA Solution promise.
And that promise of peace of mind, is why so many leading companies in the Kingdom trust us with their critical projects. So, if you are ready to stop worrying about the delays, the budget nightmares, and the constant stress, let's have a conversation. Let's build excellence together.
We really want to make this first step easy for you. Because honestly, we're confident that as soon as you talk to our experts, you'll immediately see the AskA Solution difference. So, we have a special invitation just for you today.
For everyone listening to this right now, we are offering a completely free, no-obligation consultation to talk about your next project. Just mention that you heard this explainer when you get in touch. You can email our team directly. The address is sales@askasolution.com, or just visit our website, askasolution.com, to learn more and connect with us.
Thank you so much for your time today. We genuinely look forward to the chance to work with you. AskA Solution, your trusted partner in fabrication.